into the 3-bedroom lagoon suite. Wow, this is huge. So this is great for if you have a group of people, families. Look at the size of this. This work if you've got even a large family or a few different generations or a group of people and you want to come to the Whitsundays. So it's 3 bedrooms. Let's check out the bedrooms. So we've got a bedroom in here. Oh, perfect. It's got its own ensuite. Love that. Twin room, great for a couple of kids or some friends. Oh, and it's got its own ensuite as well. Perfect. And the size of this, everyone can have their own space. There's a lot of day beds outside, sun lounges. This works really well. What have we got here? Oh, wow. So master bedroom. Look at the size of this. And it's got its own ensuite too, which is part of the room, which is just stunning. Look at this bar. Can definitely fit a couple of you in there. Wow. This is beautiful. Lie in bed. Just have a look at this view.